Null hypothesis versus alternate hypothesis. In statistical hypothesis testing, the null hypothesis is the default assumption that there is no effect, no difference, or no relationship between variables. On the other hand, the alternative hypothesis is the researcher's claim or what they are actually trying to prove. That an effect or relationship does exist. Think of hypothesis testing like a courtroom trial. In a trial, the jury assumes the defendant is innocent until proven guilty. In science and statistics, we do the exact same thing with data. In the null hypothesis of courtroom, defendant has the innocent claim. This is the default assumption that nothing new is happening. There is no effect, no difference, or no change. Courtroom equivalent of this means that the person is innocent. For example, this new diet pill does not help people lose weight. In case of the alternative hypothesis, there will be the guilty's claim. This is what the researcher actually suspects is true. There is an effect, a difference, or a change. Courtroom equivalent of this means that the person is guilty. For example, this new diet pill does help people lose weight. How do they work together? You look at the data, the evidence. If you have strong evidence, you reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative. So the verdict will be guilty. If you do not have enough evidence, you stick with the null hypothesis. Then the verdict is not guilty but innocent. Let's discuss them in details. The null hypothesis. It is the starting assumption that there is no change, difference, or relationship in the population. It acts as a benchmark. Researchers collect data, attempting to disprove or reject this hypothesis. For example, a new medication has no effect on blood pressure. The alternative hypothesis. It is the statement that challenges the null hypothesis. It represents the research claim that there is a measurable effect, difference, or relationship. It is the hypothesis you actually support if the data provides enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. For example, a new medication lowers blood pressure. Here are the easiest, one-sentence definitions for both types of hypothesis. Null hypothesis. It is the assumption that nothing changed, nothing is different, or nothing happened. Alternative hypothesis is that the claim that something changed, something is different, or something did happen.